Friends, in this video, we're gonna learn loop. Okay. So before starting to discuss what loop is and so other things, so look at the screen and we have a program here. It's not a program. We are printing number 1 to 5. Okay. So this is the way we can easily print number 1 to 5. Okay. So if we run the program, you see, we get 1 to 5. Friends, we can get 1 to 5 in this way as well. Yeah, we can do it in one line as well. Print f and then uh, 1, this sign, and n, 2 and 3 we can write in this way as well. So if we run this, we see we get 1 to 5 as well. So both the ways uh, are correct to get the result. Okay, friends, this is another way to get the same result. Okay, so if we take an integer variable a and it contains 1. Okay, so if we print this, we get 1, and then we are adding 1 with this. Okay, so a equals 1 plus a plus 1. That means previous a was 1. Okay, so 1, this previous a was 1 and another one is plus with this, so it will print 2 now. So after this 2, in third in line number 9, we see in this position we had the value a of 2. Okay, so here 2 plus 1, that means it will be 3. So if you print this in number 10 number line, we will get 3. So in 11 number line, it will print like 3 will be here. For a, it will be 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and so on. Okay. So now if we run this, we get 1 to 5. So friends, imagine we will have to print number 1 to 100. Okay. So how many times we will have to do the same task? So you clearly understand, we'll have to repeat this process, repeat this task 100 times. Okay, so to avoid this repetition, we will use something that is called loop. Okay, so now we will go forward to understand what loop is. Okay, friends, to write a loop, you see, we here wrote while. While is a loop. Okay, it is called while loop. We have another types of loop called for loop. Okay, so we will learn step by step. So in while loop, it will start a contains 1. Loop will start from 1. Okay, friends, you see, we have written while loop. Okay, so in while loop we are saying that if a is less than 5 or equals 5, we will print a. Okay, so and after printing this line, we are saying a will be a plus plus. A plus plus means we wrote you remember we wrote in previous that a equals a plus 1. So this is the same thing if you wrote a plus plus. Okay, there is no difference between the two, they are the same. Okay, so if we run this, then you see we will get 1 to 5. So if we update the value 1 to 10, oh sorry, here 10, then you will see up to 10. Okay, so I hope you understand while loop. So this is how we can avoid our repetition. Okay, so this is where loops we need loop. Okay, friends, here we have taken a less than or equal 10, and then we are printing a. Okay, so this loop will repeat uh, until a is less than 10 or equal. Okay, so here the loop, here a is being increased by 1. Then first time a will be 1, it will print 1. Then in this line a will increase, so a will be 2, so the loop will rotate again. Okay, so it will print 2 again. After that, after 2 it will increase 1 again, so it will be 3, and then so on. Notice we have just taken the a plus plus out of this while loop bracket. Okay, so if we take the a plus plus out of the second bracket, what do you get? You see, we just get 1 1 1 1 and 1, nothing else. This is for what? This is for the loop is checking if a is less than 10 or equal 10. So if the condition is true, then it will print a. So what is a here? 1. Okay, so it doesn't have anything to do in this loop. Okay, so it is rotating the loop again because condition is still true, so it will print second time 1 again, it will print third time 1 again, because it is not increasing here. Okay, so if you put the a plus plus out of the second bracket, you see what do you get. So it's important, you have to remember. Okay friends, you have to type on your own. I'm telling you again, I'm not showing you while I type. Yeah, to save time I just type first and then show you. So you have to type on your own. Okay, so here you see a program. So this is the same thing. Here we are saying that a will be less than or equal to 100. Okay, so if we print a, it will print 100. Okay, because a will be plus plus, you see. So a will increase 1 by 1. So inside this while loop, inside this loop, you see, inside this loop we are taking a conditional statement. If a greater than 10, break. So if when a will be greater than 10, greater than 10, the loop will not continue anymore. Okay, it will break here. So if we run it now, you see, we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so this is a very simple thing you should know. Okay, there is something which is totally opposite of break. Okay, so we will see this, what is opposite of break. This is continue. Okay, so let's see how it works. A contains 0, while a less than 10, a will increase 1 by 1. Okay, so first time a will be 1, then it will add 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. So this is how it works. I hope you understand. If a modulus 2 equals 0, that means if a is divided by 2 and there is no uh, left number, I mean how you can say. So if the division is entirely completed, then uh, it will be 0. We understand any even number is completely divided, we know. So if a is an even number, okay, then it will continue. That means this even number will not be printed. Okay, it will not print the even number and then it will print. This is what it means. Okay, it will just leave this number, this even number. Okay, so if we run this, you see 13579. Do you understand what it means? It's just avoiding the even numbers. Okay, it prints only odd numbers. So this is what continue means. Okay,